Hello, I'm Bushra from QA Milestone. If you have been following our series on Cypress, I'm sure you are in love with Cypress by now. But like everything in the world, nothing has it all. And so is the case with Cypress. But hey, don't be disappointed. That's what plugins are for. So in this video, we'll explore the official list of plugins offered by Cypress, which provide a way to support and extend the behavior of Cypress. And then we'll work with this very useful plugin, which lets you upload files. So we have plugin for authentication to help you with OTP and social logins. And then we have plugins for component testing. And you also have custom commands, like this one here, Cypress commands, which provides you with a collection of Cypress commands to extend and complement the default Cypress commands. And cypress-file-upload, which we'll be working with. Then we have plugins related to development tools such as we have Cypress Dark here, and more useful, Docker. And then we have Cucumber and plugins for better reporting. We'll be working with Mocha or Submerge in our next video. And you also have plugins for visual testing. So you have got plenty of them here. Now let's work with File Upload plugin. So we'll use this as our demo application. I've created a sample file here. Let's upload it. And we'll verify that we received this message here. So let's get started. Okay, so this says to install this plugin, this is what you need. Let's open our terminal and we'll run this command. So our plugin has been installed. And as you can see, it's here in dev dependencies. Okay. Let's see what's the next step. So it says you need to add this in Cypress support commands.js. Let's do that. Support commands.js. And then we need to use this bit of code. So I've already added the sample file here. Let's go ahead and create a new spec file. This is the piece of code that we need. We are visiting our site, and then this is our file that we need to upload. This is in fixtures folder here. And then this piece of code was provided to us by the plugin. We are clicking on the submit button and then we are verifying the content. Let's run this now. There you go. The file was successfully uploaded. And so that's how easy using plugins is. And they help you tremendously to extend the functionality of Cypress. I hope you found it useful. I'll see you on the next video where we'll be discussing yet another plugin, Mocha Awesome Reporter.